We have nowhere to go, but like, let's go to the grocery store tonight or something because I need to show off this hair. So I just shampooed my hair with the UNOVE shampoo and then I put in the hair mask. I'm so excited because I love K-Beauty and this is the first K-Beauty hair care brand in Sephora. We're gonna take it out. It feels so soft. Look at that. Like silk. And now we are going to heat protect it. Make sure you evenly coat. Lift your hair and get every strand, especially the ends here. You don't want to miss a strand because we don't want damage. Next, we're gonna do leave-in conditioner. If you want glass hair, this is the secret because it just adds that extra hydration and conditioning into your ends. Get it really good throughout your fingers. This is really important because then you can evenly distribute it all over. We're gonna really get those ends, okay? Because she needs it. And then we're gonna go in onto the other side. I do not want you to be shy with this. Okay, now comes the most important part. We are going to heat style it. So first thing, let's part our hair. I like to do it in sections because it gets it the most even. We're gonna clip it out of the way. I like to get my hair about 80% dry. It just works the best with me, so I'm gonna use my Dyson. Make sure when you blow dry your hair, you're blow drying downwards, okay? Because all those little itty bitty little hairs, the best way to get those bleak down first is blow drying downwards. Don't go blow drying like this, okay? After blow drying, we are going to brush it out. You need something like this. This is what's really going to sleek it down. Put the blowout brush under your hair like this. Take your hair and fold it over, and you're gonna use both hands to stabilize and bring it down like this. Okay, you got it? Oh, look at this side. She's so cute, right? This side, not so much, but it's okay. We're gonna fix it right now. So I finished the heat styling. How does my hair look? It looks good, right? I know it looks good. We are almost done. We have the Silk hair oil. It feels so lightweight. I have pretty fine hair and I really like an oil for like the finishing touch. This is what's really gonna make it look glassy like a mirror. You are gonna see my reflection by the end of this, okay? I like to sleek the front parts here. The last thing I like to do is use a board bristle brush. The board bristle brush is what really distributes everything. Oh my gosh, do you see that? It feels so nice and smooth.